The first service provider to reply gets the booking, and in most cases that's not you, because while you are busy driving, working, or just on your phone, that customer has already booked someone else. But what if every inquiry got an instant reply? Customer could book services on their own and your business never missed a lead again. So that's exactly what I built using Pabbly Chatflow. This is a fully automated WhatsApp chatbot flow designed for home service businesses like plumbing, cleaning, electrical work, and many more. It handles everything, welcomes users instantly, shows available services, collects booking details, and confirms appointments automatically 24/7 without you touching your phone. But before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial of how you can design this flow, let me give you a quick overview of how it will work in real time. By sending a simple book service message to my WhatsApp chatbot, instantly the bot replies that, "Hello, need help with home services? We have got you covered. Book a verified professional in under 60 seconds. What do you need today?" Along with one option in the form of list. Once I click on it, it will provide me types of services such as plumbing, cleaning, electrical, and appliance repair. Let's say I want to book a plumbing service, so I am selecting that option. Then you will see the chatbot starts asking my information. At first, it is asking me for my full name. So I sent my full name as a test user. Next, it is asking me for my contact number. In the next message, the bot will automatically mention plumbing service exactly same that I have selected from the list, including the message as, "Please describe your issue briefly so we can connect you with the right expert." So I replied and sending an issue as leaking tap in the bathroom. Next, I received the message as what time works best for you. So I sent it as 3 p.m. And then I am sharing one test address, as it is visible that how smartly the bot is asking me all my information. Once I send the address, then you will see I have received one customized request receive message from the bot that includes my name as a test user, issue type as plumbing that I have selected from the list, and all my details completely personalized. So yes, this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build today without writing a single line of code. But before we move ahead, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of service booking bot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. You have worked hard to build your business. Now let Pabbly handle repetitive works for you so you can focus on the real growth instead of manual replies. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this chatbot step by step. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you will come on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So I am going in this flows feature. See. This is Pabbly Chatflow Flow Builder page. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I will click on this plus add flow button. This is the starting point of your flow name as trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow that what you are creating. Here I am entering my flow name as create a service booking chatbot for home services, plumbing, cleaning, etc. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for home service booking. On the left hand side, you will see two options, messages and actions. Under these options, different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. At first, you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger event. I am creating this flow with the help of keywords, so I will select this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that the user will send to me. As we are creating this flow with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am entering in this enter keywords box as book service. After entering the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it in the list. Now I am adding two more keyword here as hello. See, these are the most expected keyword the user will send to me. Now whenever the user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by sending them one welcome message on behalf of my business, just like this, along with one option in the form of list. So for setting up this type of message, I am taking one list button from here. As you can see, this list button is divided in three parts, name is header, body and footer, where in this case I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving these blank and directly writing a message in this enter body box as hey, need help with home services, we have got you covered, what do you need today. Moving forward, I am clicking on this H section button and entering a section title as service types. After that, I want to add list of types of services just like this. So for that, I am clicking on this plus add items button 4 times. Here I am adding only 4 types of services, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. See, here I have added the first one is plumbing, second one is cleaning, third one is electrical, and last one is appliance repair. You can also enter description in the center description boxes if you want to. After that, I am linking the trigger point of this flow to this list node. Now whenever the user will select the service type that they want to book, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to the setup of custom field tag. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding button is set custom field. After that, I am selecting the contact custom field as service type, and in this enter value box I am going to write this service because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this service type. For creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, service type, contact number and many more. In simple terms, contact custom fields are used to send personalized message to each user. Here I set this contact custom field for this specific service type. Now I am going to do the setup of 3 more contact custom field nodes for each of these service types. Here I have added, as you can see that I have used the same contact custom field in each of these nodes as service type, but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in this enter title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box at the end. This will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice. Now whenever the user will select the service type that they want to book, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name. So for that, I am adding one ask a question button from here and entering a message in this enter message box as great choice, let's get your service booked quickly, what's your full name. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. Next, the number of attempts. See, number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your users for answering this question. It also means that whenever the user will not reply to your bot in the correct format that you will select from this list. For example, here I have selected the format as text, but user will reply to the bot in the format of number. Then on those type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts for our users so that they can re-attempt the question. But make sure that whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am linking all these 4 contact custom field not circle to this question box as connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Moving forward, whenever the user will share their full name, then my bot will ask them to briefly describe the issue they are facing, their contact number, preferred timing and address. So for that, I am again doing the same that I have done here here means I am adding 4 more questions in this flow. The process of adding questions in the flow will be the same. Here I have added all the 4 questions where in this question box I ask my user to share their contact number. For that I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format as number. You can also enter minimum and maximum values in both of these boxes if you want to. Here I haven't added, and the number of attempts I'll give as 0. Moving forward, in this question box I have entered the message as with $symbol service type. Please describe your issue briefly so we can connect you with the right expert. As you can see that I have used a dollar symbol in front of this service type because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol automatically the user selected service type will come. In real time it works like this. See, as soon as I have selected the plumbing from this list, it will automatically mention the plumbing in this place. So this is how it works. Next, in this question box I have entered the message as what time works best for you. For that I have selected the contact custom field as time and the format as any, and lastly I ask my user to share their service address. Now whenever all this communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized request receive message to the user that dynamically includes all their provided input, just like this. So for setting up this message I am adding one text pattern from here and entering a response message in this enter message box. Here I have entered as request received head with dollar symbol full name, service type, time, contact number and address. As I already explained you about this dollar symbol, as it is used for sending personalized message. Now our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on the save button so that it will save and update it. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will give instant replies to your users in real time like this. Book services 24/7 without you doing anything from your side. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. And I have designed this as a dummy example. You can customize it, make more interactive, more interesting, completely based on your own business. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business too. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.